During Quest 3, you're going to be working with one of these, a mini digital keyboard. Before you start work on Quest 3, it's important to know a few important details.
The first thing you're going to want to look at is the power button. This button is located in this area of the keyboard. By pushing this slider all the way over to the right, you will turn the keyboard on. The next important button is the volume slider bar. Obviously, you want to keep your keyboard at a maintainable level. Not too loud, not too soft. The bottom 5 buttons are actually a drum pad. As you can see, each symbol stands for a certain part on a drum set. You can play around with these once you get the machine turned on. This tempo button will adjust our patterns and our songs once we start playing with those. It can make a piece go faster or slower. The right side of our keyboard deals with our options. We can change what instrument we play with, the type of groove that we play along with, and we can even play full songs. If you look up here at these 3 buttons, these will allow you to change those 3 things I just mentioned. If you press the tone button, you can then go ahead and change your tone by selecting a new number. Your tone is also known as your instrument. If you hit the pattern button, you're going to be able to change the groove that you play along with, and if you hit the song bank, you can actually select a song to play. This orange button is nice because it can quickly go back to playing either with piano or an organ. This start and stop button will start and stop patterns and songs, and this melody button can turn the melody off when you're playing a song. This is your middle main control center. It will tell you a lot of different things. It will tell you what tone you're playing with, what pattern you're playing with, which song you're playing, and it even will display where your note lies on the treble clef or bass clef. Here's what it looks like when it's turned on. It even displays a little metronome like we use in GarageBand. It gives you a staff for treble and bass clef, and then a number readout. This is referring to the tune that we're playing with. Obviously right now it's on 0-0. Your blue song bank shows you 9 options. You can play any one of these songs by selecting song and then typing in the number of the song you'd like to play. Later on, you'll be able to play along with the song once we learn the piece. The purple pattern bank allows you to select a groove to play along with. This is great for improvisation because there's no set melody. You make it up. You can see all the different types of grooves that you can select. Last but not least, we have our orange tone bank. In this bank, you can see all the different types of instruments you can play with on the keyboard. If you look carefully, some instruments have a lot of different options. For example, you can use 0 to 11 for piano. That means that you're going to have 11 options for different types of pianos. Over here for percussion, you see that you have 88 to 99, so you have a lot of different options for percussion. This also includes sound effects for those of you that are interested. That's it for now for the keyboard. Get ready next class to start playing around with all the features that I just discussed.